All right, I'm going to go over one more problem, but before I do that, I want to talk about what you guys are going to be doing on these Google Slides. So you're going to be moving these words in green, so different, that is a subtraction word. Total is an addition word, so words that you know to use when you're adding, when you're subtracting, okay? And then you guys are going to complete this problem. Look at the model and pretend the x's are not there. How much do you see? So just pretend these x's aren't there. What is the total amount here? What do you think the x's mean? Add or subtract. You're going to type it in there. Just look at the x's. How much do you see that is marked out? So how much, what is the value that the x's are on? Now let's solve the problem. Use the information in the blanks to solve, and then you type your answer, okay? And I'm going to go over a word problem. It says, the Mustangs scored a total of some points at their away games. They scored a total of some points when they played at home. What was the total amount of points they scored in this season? All right. The Mustangs scored a total of 454 points at their away games. They scored a total of 493 when they played at home. What was the total amount of points they scored in this season? Well, the question is asking me, this is the total number of points. How many groups are we going to have down here? Or how many sections are we going to have? Good, we're going to have two sections. One section is 454 points. That is their away. $454 points at their away games, and then 493 points at their home games. I am looking for the total number of points that they're going to score in the season. What operation is that? Good, we are going to add 454 plus 493. I'm going to model how to solve this problem two different ways. The first way that I'm going to do is I'm going to use my base 10 blocks. Oops. My hundreds, my tens, and my ones. I'm going to create the number 454. 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 4 ones. That's 454 plus 493. 400, 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 2, 3. All right? I'm going to add these up. When we start adding, what place value do we start in? We start in our ones. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? I'm going to count my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. When I have 100, or that's 10, 10, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That equals 100. What am I going to do? Good, I'm going to create a 100. I'm going to regroup. How many tens do we have left? 4 tens, which is 40. And then I'm going to count my hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So how many games? Or how many points? 947. Well, I'm going to add this one other way. 454, 493. Maybe you don't like to add using your base 10 blocks. That's totally fine. We're going to add using expanded notation. 400, or expanded form, sorry. 400 plus 50 plus 4. 400 plus 90 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is, good, 7. 50 plus 90 is 140. I'm going to put my 40 here and put my 100 up there. 400 plus 400 is 800 plus one more is 900. 900 plus 40 plus 7 is 947. All right.